Toongabbie Railway Station, Western Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. A wet Wednesday morning, 6th of January 2016. We're awaiting the arrival of the Indian Pacific train number 3AS8, Adelaide-Sydney Sector of Perth-Sydney overall journey. Locomotives NR18 in the lead, assisted by DL40, have been delayed 1 hour and 11 minutes from normal running timetable due to severe fog and heavy rain both west of and across the Blue Mountain Range. Numerous suburban and interurban express trains pass through Toongabbie as we await the 26-passenger car transcontinental service 3AS8.